Hi, my name is Angela, and I am 55 years old. I would say about 8 years ago, I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. When I got here, my fasting blood sugar was 256, and that was on all kinds of medications. And when I would eat, it would go up into the 500s, sometimes even into the 600s. Besides that, I have many other medical issues. I've had multiple blood clots the last few years. 2 years ago, I had a saddle pulmonary embolism and almost died. Luckily, I am still here. So my journey to Uchee Pines is kind of an interesting story. I have worked at the same job for 30 years, and my supervisor, my boss, Mike, who is also my friend, saw me getting sicker and sicker, and he finally came to me and asked me if he bought me a program through his church called Diabetes Undone, would I go? He asked me if I would go, and I did. And through this Diabetes Undone class at his church, where he's an elder, he would meet me there twice a week, I think just to make sure that I went. But in the meantime, I also got a sponsor who was a wonderful lady at his church named Mary Lou. Once we finished the classes, it taught me a lot, but it just wasn't enough for me. I needed way more to get back on track. So Mary Lou and Mike suggested that I try a lifestyle center. I wondered how I was going to get the money to go. I wondered what I was going to do with my job for a month taking off. What I was going to do for a dog sitter. There's just so many things that I had to get in order to be able to go, and especially financially. And my boss Mike said, we're going to pray on it, and we're going to figure out how to do this. And within a few days, he had a dog sitter for me, and he reminded me that the owner of our company owed me a trip that I had gotten for working for him for 30 years. But I had been so sick that I never took the trip. And I asked him if I could just keep it in my back pocket till I felt good one day. So instead of taking this trip, I called the owner of our company and asked him if he would pay for me to go to a lifestyle center to get healthy, which he agreed to. Then I didn't know where I was going to get the money for the airfare. And then miraculously, somebody from Mike and Mary Lou's church donated a flight for me, which is just amazing because this person didn't know me. No one at their church knew me, but come to find out, they were all praying for me every day. Initially, I wasn't coming to Uchee. I was going to another center. I came here instead, which I truly think is what God wanted. But by the time I got to Uchee Pines, I was just so sick and sick of being sick, and I really just didn't care anymore. When I came to Uchee Pines, I was dealing with diabetes that was out of control. I've had multiple blood clots, aneurysms, herniated discs, scoliosis. My breathing is horrible. I can't even make it to the mailbox and back without huffing and puffing. The staff at Uchee, I can't even begin to tell everyone what amazing people they are. And we had to do a questionnaire yesterday about this place, and it says friendliness of staff, 1 through 5, with 5 being the best. And I wrote in a 10 and circled it because I just have never, ever experienced such friendly people who are so selfless. And when you come here, you get your own doctor, and they spend their time talking to you. They take blood work and go through it line by line with you in the beginning, and then they take it again at the end and go line by line and tell you what everything means and how things have changed with you since you've been here. So I came here with my blood sugar, with all the medications at 254, which is not a good number fasting. Today, which is day 17, my blood sugar this morning was 136 on no medication. And if I can get it under 100, my diabetes will be reversed, which is amazing. I came here on 11 medications. I'm going home on 1. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? 1 out of 11 is what I'm going home with. When I go home, I know that it's going to be very hard, but because there is a realm of things that have gotten me healthy here. They teach us about nutrition. They give us cooking classes, including they have an amazing tea room here. Every day we all make our own teas. We all are given a different recipe for whatever issues we have going on. They do lots of different hydrotherapy treatments, which are fantastic for my legs, my back, for everything basically. I've had several different types of hydrotherapies to poultices on my lower back. So I'm not like a turtle on its back in the morning anymore. I'm able to, they ring a bell at 5 in the morning to get us up, and I'm up and at 'em. At home, I would never be like that. I can barely get out of bed. It takes me hours to get going. And here, I am up and out getting my vitals taken and just on the move. It's just a combination of all of these things put together. So when I came here, I smoked a pack and a half to 2 packs of cigarettes every day, and I had smoked for 40 years, along with all I drank was Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, or coffee with lots of creamer. And my favorite's Taco Bell, or lots of fast food, lots of going out. Today is day 17 with no cigarettes, no Pepsi, no refined sugar, and it's been hard, I won't lie. There's been days that, yes, I've wanted those things, but I've made it through it, and I can't tell you how much better I feel. So many people have stopped me and told me that, like, my face looks different, my eyes look different. It's just like I'm awake again. I feel like I came here lost, maybe an empty shell. I was broken, and now I'm starting to get my light back and creating a new self. There will definitely be a new self when I go home. My group, there are 9 of us in my group, and I will say that I have gained some lifelong friends, and we're all different ages, we're from all different walks of life, but I truly can say that we've fallen in love with each other. We have the most incredible bond. Anybody who is feeling lost, hopeless, sick, I can't say enough. Come here, give it a chance. Miracles happen, and I think a lot of them happen here at Uchee Pines. Not only did it change my life, I'm almost positive that Uchee Pines saved my life. So for anybody out there who is feeling like I did, come here and give it a try. It can't hurt, and it definitely can help.